Hi friend, I'm making a dummy test to the COB strip. Okay. And let's check the quality. If this quality is stable or not. Okay. Now I rotate around my hand. Okay. Okay, this is not enough, right? And now I fold the COB strip back to back. You see? Now I fold back to back. Okay. Okay, I stretch it together. Okay, you see? Just a stretch. Oh, stretch hard. Stretch very hard, okay? Okay, now let's check the tube. Now let's check the strip. Works very well. Yeah. So don't worry about the quality. Quality is very stable. At the temperature, it's around 50, and less than 50. So this strip is very stable and much better quality than SMT ones. So anybody interested in this type of product, you're welcome to contact me. So we're arranging a factory and we can give you, offer you a very good price. Okay. Let me see, this is the SMD and this is the COB. The COB in the light is more smooth. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.